Hi everyone, this is Corinna Bench. I'm one of the farmers at sharedlegacyfarms.com. In this video, I'm gonna unpack our latest product, which is a do-it-yourself home grow microgreens kit. And this is what it looks like. You can pre-order it at sharedlegacyfarms.com/store right now for pickup this weekend on Saturday between 9 and 11 a.m. at our pickup sites. And so I wanted to first show you what microgreens are. Maybe you're not even sure what that is, but this is an example of microgreens there. This is the pea microgreen, and it's kind of like a supercharged, nutrient-dense, small version of the plant. And you can just snack on them like this. Kids love them. Or you can throw them into the salad, on top of a salad, or just to garnish a dish, or on inside of pasta. There's so many different uses for this. But this is typically a really high-end product. You'll usually spend quite a bit of money for it. This particular kit allows you to grow them yourself in your own kitchen in about 7 days, and it's really, really simple to do. So let me just show you what's inside the microgreen kit. First of all, it comes inside this cute little gable box. So if you want to make it a present, it's a really great gift idea, and you can put a little bow on the top. It has, the little label on the front that explains what it is. Just really nice and sweet. What's on the inside? Let me show you. There's just a few parts, not super complicated. First of all, you're getting these grow trays. So there's 5 different ones that you're going to actually put the growing medium in. Okay, so this is part of the kit. You also get the soil, and this is Powerhouse Soil, certified organic soil from Vermont Compost Company. It's got some awesome goodness. It's exactly the right amount that you need to fill up 4 of these trays. So you can use this soil one time, and then you'll have to replace it. Okay, so that's the soil part. Then we have the seed packets. So these change from time to time, but in this particular batch, we have arugula seed, mild and wild, which is kind of a fun broccoli mix, really good, my favorite. Sweet pea, this is probably the most popular one. And then raving radish. Those are the 4 that are in here. We have the exact amount that you need in order to do those 4 different trays. And then of course, I know what you're wondering. You're like, do you have instructions? Yes, my friend, we have instructions, and it'll give you details about how to use microgreens, what they even are, why they're so nutritious and awesome for you. But then this is the gold mine. Back on the back is this. You could probably do it right now from your phone. You're gonna put open up your phone app, your camera app, and just hover the camera over this image, and it's gonna pop up a website that's gonna tell you detailed instructions with visuals for how to grow it. The link is also down here. But this is, if you don't wanna read the instructions that come in here, you can go and actually get a visual. So I love this. It shows you step-by-step how to do it. Now, I've actually been working on this project with some of the people who bought it last week. So I'm in the middle of growing them in my own kitchen as well. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. But those are the different pieces of the kit. All right, and this is $20 in our store, sharedlegacyfarms.com/store. You can pick it up in our Elmore pickup site this Saturday from 9 to 11 a.m. So order by Thursday night, and you'll be able to grab that and get as many as you want. And they're shelf stable, right? So you can purchase them and let them sit in your house for a while if you're not gonna see your friend, whoever you wanna give them to, because there's nothing in here that's gonna perish. Just don't get those seeds wet, right? That's important. Don't get the seeds wet or they'll start to germinate. But let me show you what it looks like. So I'm in the process, I'm on day number 3 right now. So I'm trying to lift this up for you. So I have filled them with soil, and I have them stacked right now, yes, with a can of refried beans sitting on top. Right now they're going through their blackout phase, which is what happens during days 2 through 4. And once they germinate, then we're gonna be able to remove this and then expose them to the sun, and then they'll grow like crazy, and then 3 days they'll be ready to cut, harvest, and eat. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. So if you wanna order one of these, go to sharedlegacyfarms.com/store. Anyone can order, not just our CSA. This year, we're trying to serve as many people as we can. It's gonna be a fun project for you, especially if you have kids. It's really cool because you see immediate results in 7 days. Actually, they'll start seeing things happening on day 3. Let me see if I can show you. I've already got action. I don't know if you can see that, but things are starting to grow. So it's pretty cool. All right, that's all I got. Hope to see you guys place an order. This is a really fun project, and we'll have refill kits starting next week too, so you can keep doing it. You can't reuse the soil. We'll give you new soil and new seed every time, but you'll be able to kind of pick and choose the seeds you want. Thanks so much, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.